Hi, everyone. I hope you had a good weekend. I'm here to explain your lesson for today that you're going to complete independently on Canvas. So, we've been talking about reading strategies. So, another one we need to discuss is summarizing. So, obviously, this should be a review because you've been summarizing things for quite a while now in elementary school. But a lot of people think they can easily summarize anything, but it turns out they just ramble on and on and on and on and on. So remember, a summary is only telling the most important parts, the big ideas, not all of the details that happened. If you tell every single detail, you are not summarizing. You are simply retelling me the story. And that's not what we want to do in sixth grade. We want to summarize. So we have an easy way to kind of help us. Get rid of all the unnecessary things and just talk about what we need in our summary. So this is what we're going to use today. It's a little help you chart. So we're just going to focus on somebody wanted, but so then. So the somebody is who the characters are. We obviously want to mention that. We want to mention what the characters are trying to do or accomplish. There's usually always a problem. So we're going to talk about the problem. Then we're going to talk about how the character overcomes those problems. And then obviously we mention how the story ends or the resolution. So we're going to use this graphic organizer to help us kind of condense and make sure we only talk about what we want. So you are going to click on this video and watch the video. It's going to re-explain a little bit this chart that we just talked about. It's the same as the slide before. It's just in a chart form. Somebody wanted, but so then. Then you're going to see this in action. So you're going to watch this video. It is about Mulan. It's kind of the condensed version. And as you watch, the person in the video summarizes the video using our chart here. Okay. So when you finish watching that, you are going to look at this chart. This is a summary of a big, long movie. So notice a movie is usually an hour and a half, 2 hours, and we are able to summarize the movie Mulan in just a few sentences. So that's kind of our goal. Once you get to this point, it is your turn to try and summarize on your own. So you're going to watch this video called Glued, and you are going to pick up a graphic organizer, which is on the table, and you are going to see if you can summarize this movie using this chart. Once you turn in that paper and fill out the chart, you are going to head back to Canvas and you are going to answer the discussion question that is posted. So once you get finished with everything, this slideshow and your discussion and your graphic organizer, you can then move on to working on your diagnostic if you aren't done, or working on your I am poem if you are not finished. If you happen to be done with everything, you can do something on the I'm done list. So I hope you have a great day and I will see you tomorrow.